What's going on, everybody? Of course, you know it's your boy, Chief Quasi. I'm in the building with the beautiful and the
Tammy,
lovely.
hey.
Yeah, of course, you know it, y'all. But we about to kick this channel off, and we holding it down for who? TKM, and we in the building, baby, forever. All right, so what's the name of the game, and you know what we got to do?
World's easiest games.
Yeah,
Yes.
you already know.
Y'all already know. We're the smartest people in the world, so we should have no problem.
We're gonna challenge that right now to see who really on top.
We should have no problem being the smartest people in the world.
Of
all right?
course.
So once
again, let's do it like this.
It's called World's Easiest Games. And you already
Exactly.
know your girl T is gonna win. Because this guy right here, I ain't gonna say
We're gonna
nothing,
see about that.
But your girl is gonna win. So make sure you
Yeah.
comment Team Tammy in the
And
comment
of course,
section.
you know, Team Chief Quasi in the building, man.
Whatever.
Y'all get on my side, and we gonna figure this thing out right now.
All right, without
Tired of
further
playing
ado,
around.
first
Tired.
question.
Yeah. What is the first question? Let's go. I'm amped. She got me hyped now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the next number in this sequence? 7.
Okay, 7.
What y'all think?
I'm arguing that.
Hey, we got it.
Bada boom, bada bing.
All right, next question.
Four-letter
word.
Mhm.
Color of the sun in the early morning.
It's orange.
4 letters.
Okay, so wow. 4 letters for the color of the sun early in the morning.
Beige.
It's dark.
In the morning, really?
Yeah, put dark.
We gonna get that wrong,
It's 4 letters.
but it's not dark. Lord,
Incorrect.
incorrect.
Alright, so wait
I
a
told you.
minute. 4-letter word. Oh, they skipped it. I thought we was getting
All
a chance
right.
to do it again.
How many days in a normal calendar year?
365. That's calendar year.
365 days.
Yeah, 365.
All right.
365. Pardon if you see us looking down a little bit. You know, we got the monitor down at the bottom.
Yay, we
so,
got it. Yay, ding,
you
ding,
know,
ding. All
what
right.
color is a round rubber
Red
ball?
Red, obviously.
What color is a round
rubber
red ball?
Why are these questions making us
It's
think,
tricky.
right?
A round
this is crazy.
rubber red ball.
C.
What that got to do with anything?
Yeah.
You feel me? All right, so
What's more powerful than God? The devil, evil itself.
evil itself, rich
Rich
people.
people fearing having it, but poor people could be described as having it. Nothing. What's more powerful than God? Wait. Oh, nothing is more powerful than God.
Nothing, first of
Exactly.
all. Let's get that out the way.
So it's nothing. C.
Correct. There we go. Boom. We getting it.
What are 2,011 pennies worth? Do the calculation. $20.11.
$20.11.
Took you kind of long. 20.
$20.11. Point
11.
No.
Oh,
You put
Lord.
211.
This thing trying to set me up. $20.11.
There you go.
All
Hit
right.
that. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Woo! Money in the bank, baby.
Yes. What are 2,004 pennies worth? $20.04.
$20.04. Let's see.
Don't play.
Incorrect. Look, are you
It's
sure?
correct. It's correct.
Look,
Okay,
is it really?
now it asks, are you
you sure?
sure? Yes, I am. I'm going to say yes.
oh, see, look at that. Boom. There you go. Get a good look, mariachi. Get it, baby.
What do you put in a toaster? Obviously, Pop-Tart or bread.
What do you put in the toaster? You put bread, sliced
right?
bread. Oh, let's see.
Yay!
All right, let's go.
How many
How many
questions
questions?
have you answered so far?
Yo.
Oh, they trying to play.
Yo, hold up though. How many questions we answered for? I would say about 7.
I would say 10. I don't know. Were you guys keeping score? Because I don't know.
Hey, look at that.
Let's
It's
see,
7. Look
let's
at the
see.
top.
No, it was more than 7.
No, I don't think so. I think it's 7.
Dang. Damn,
Correct.
correct.
See?
All right. So that counts as one being incorrect, really.
Yeah.
Which one is an elephant?
The fat one.
All right, that's correct. The word racer is the same forwards, backwards, and upside down.
Word.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. It is true. It is. I saw
It
it.
is, right.
I peeped it
That's
already.
crazy. Incorrect. Oh, because they said upside it down. When you turn the R upside down, it does.
It says car racer instead of.
No, the R is just upside down, so it's gonna look funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, damn.
Okay. All right. I hate it too.
All right, next question.
A 4-letter word.
4-letter words. You can tune a guitar, but you can't
tuna fish.
Hey.
There we go.
Tuna fish. All right. Make sure I spelled it correctly.
Hey.
Yay.
There we go, baby. Let's go. Get them
right.
cows out of here.
How many rabbits? 2. That's
Okay.
easy, right, guys? 2.
What?
Don't play. All right.
It's 6
Why
of
are
them
you
now.
playing games?
It's 6 of them now.
It was 2 though.
Yeah.
It's funny when I put the 2 in there.
Okay.
It changed to like literally 2, 4, 6.
Well, they're humping.
I'm gonna go
rabbits.
for 2 because it's what we saw at first. Not after you put the number.
Get that too. 6.
It's incorrect. That's
crazy.
crazy.
It's funny because they don't tell you what's the correct
Okay.
answer afterwards.
Which hand do you stir soup with? It depends on
You're who you are. You're
Right, you might
left-handed.
be
You're
left-handed.
right-handed.
stir soup.
Stir soup.
Which hand do you stir
This
soup?
thing makes you think, buddy.
Yo,
Stir soup with. Which hand do you stir the soup
I'm gonna
with?
put neither, just to be like, cause
Stir the soup
it's
with.
no right or no wrong. Because
I'm gonna go with neither as well.
because
Yeah.
it's yeah.
Correct. Look at that. Bam, baby. Let's
Because
go.
imagine if you left-handed.
Okay, aqua is another word for
Water.
Yes.
Aquafina. Hey.
There we go.
All
There
right.
you go. Boom.
This is my dog Blue.
Blue.
What color is my dog?
Hold up.
Green.
No, hold up.
Green.
This has got to be the most trickiest question ever.
I say green.
This is my dog Blue. First of all, hear that part. This is my dog Blue.
Uh-huh.
What color is my dog? Obviously, you're looking at a dog. It's green. Hey, the dog.
Green,
I
right?
say it's green too.
I think this is my dog Blue. That's his name.
Yes.
It's just like when you rock pink clothing.
Yes.
It's not pink, but
It's
it
not-
says pink across the chest.
Facts,
Big
baby.
old pink. And you're like, yo, that
Facts.
ain't pink. I would say honestly green.
How
That's
many
what I would
times
say.
you see the pink clothing and
What the hell? They said incorrect. This is my dog. They say.
Okay, Smarty Pants.
Okay,
What
Smarty
state
Pants.
is this?
That's Texas. Upside it down because I used to live there. That's upside it down. I know that. Trust me.
I'm speechless. Go ahead, click it. Texas. Let's see
It
what's
is.
going
It
on.
is. Think you slick. It's correct.
You got that. Look, you got the happy face.
Oh my God. All right.
What's 7 plus
7
4?
plus 4
Mhm.
minus 39 minus 193 plus 183 minus
Ooh,
138.
brain
Why are they
buster.
playing games right now?
Brain buster.
Dang.
All right, so let's do the
All right.
math. 7
First
plus
of all,
4.
7 plus 4 is 11.
11.
You can't
Minus- you
minus
cannot
39
minus 11.
is
Yes,
lower,
you cannot.
so
All right.
11 cannot minus literally 39,
Facts.
right?
All right. So 39
So it's
plus.
going to be a negative number, but still plus 100.
It
the
still
hell?
doesn't equate. It doesn't add up.
I'm
I put 0.
0. That's what I'm going to put.
Yeah, I'll put 0. Yes.
Yo, my heart is
Woo!
like, it's beating real hard right now.
It's
honestly.
good though.
What
That's
shape
good.
is this?
What?
A triangle, B triangle, C triangle, D triangle.
Really though? Really though?
So I guess either answer would be correct. I guess A, B, C, or D.
Wait,
You
wait,
can't
wait,
go
wait,
wrong
wait.
unless they spelled it different.
That's what I'm checking for. That's what I'm checking for.
T-R-A-N-G-L-E-T-R. They all
They're
spelled
all
the
spelled
same.
the same. And
1, 2, 3 sides. All right, we're gonna pick C. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's see where you are.
Right? I'm just gonna be crazy.
What shape is this?
C.
Oh, you are on top. What is the capital of New York?
We live in New York.
New York City.
No, it ain't. Albany. What's wrong with you? A. I can't believe this. He just revoked his native New Yorker card. You're no longer a native New Yorker. Get out of here. What's wrong with you?
All right, so 4-letter word.
4-letter
I'm
word.
for blank jokes.
I'm a sap for blank jokes. What?
I'm a sap.
4-letter words. It's not syrup.
I'm a sap.
Wait, S-Y-R, that's 5 letters.
4-letter word. I'm a sap for.
4-letter word. I'm a sap for.
It's not sweet.
I'm a
No.
sap for sour jokes. That's stupid. No.
Sap is not sour. Sap
Right.
is sweet.
Sticky? No. We
4-letter
gotta
word.
hurry up. The time is
I
going.
see. 4-letter word. I'm a sap.
What do you guys think? Comment in the comment
Pretty
section
much.
because we don't know.
Comment down there.
We're gonna get this wrong. Damn.
4-letter word.
Yeah.
Cup is only 3. I know we're taking too long, Cat. I see you.
All right.
falling asleep on us.
4-letter word for I'm a sap.
A sap.
For
Jokes.
good jokes. Good.
Good?
Let's try good. I don't know.
You might be right.
I'm assuming that's incorrect.
That was
was hard.
That was not good.
I had 27 flowers. Sadly, all but 14 died.
27 out of 14.
How many are left?
Okay.
I had 27 flowers. Sadly, all but 14. So that means 14 is living. So I'm going to say 13. How many are left? 13.
Okay.
Because they not, yeah, that's what they're saying.
I had 27 flowers.
All but. The key word is all but.
Right.
14 died. So everything else but 14 died.
All of them
13.
but 14 died.
13.
Incorrect. That is a...
What?
Oh,
Anyway,
tic-tac-toe. Beat
me at tic-tac-toe.
There we go, tic-tac-toe. Hit the middle first.
All right.
Yeah.
We locking it down in the middle. We're going to do it.
Okay, wait. Go ahead.
What the heck?
Go ahead.
All right. Oh, so they did that.
Go down here in the bottom
All
corner.
right.
Right here. Oh my God, we lost.
How?
No, because we're going to get there first. So we won.
Hey, okay, all
Yeah,
right.
we got there first. There we go.
Is the moon made of cheese?
Yes, it
Yes.
is. It looks like cheese.
Because yes.
It has holes in it.
Because you could hypothetically be like, is the moon and the atmosphere made of cheese?
Yeah.
But they talking about the one that's literally here
In your face in the picture.
So we're going to say yes.
Okay, there we
Hey.
go. There we go. Maria,
All
my
right.
man right
Hey.
there. Chicken.
Solve the equation for n.
Okay.
700 plus 80 plus n equals 780. I need paper.
Okay, 700 plus 800.
I need
700
paper.
plus 800
Seriously.
plus n. Okay.
I need paper. Give me the paper. Hurry up.
Hold on. Hold your horses.
I hope I get it right.
Hold your horses.
Let me see something.
780.
700 plus 80 plus n equals 780 plus n. Oh Lord.
Okay.
All right. All right. 780 plus n equals 780
700
plus n. All right. So n. Oh, so it's 1. Wait a minute.
Wait.
Minus n.
700 plus 80 is 780 plus n. 780 plus
780.
n.
It's
1.
It's 1.
It is 1.
It's 1.
Here we go. Yeah. What?
Is
I'm
it
about
0?
to get all hype for nothing.
It might be 0.
We lost.
N is 0. It should have been, I think it's 0 because now that I'm looking
What
at
is
it.
n?
780 subtracted from both sides. N equals 0. That's what I think it is.
Oh, God.
Damn.
Well, we
you
can't go
lose.
back.
Play again.
You suck.
Whatever.
Play again.
I ain't playing again. I won. In my book, I'm the smartest person in the world. Ain't nobody competing. I won. I'm not listening to this right now.
What y'all
right?
think right now? Is it a tie or what's going on?
I definitely got more questions
you know?
than him. Or should I say more answers?
Did your boy Chief Quasi take it home?
I got more questions. I answered more questions.
Well, we were collectively answering
No,
questions,
we
getting
weren't.
answers correct.
I
Okay,
won it
boom.
all because I'm the smartest girl in the world.
Hey, so give it
Yes.
up to her, man. Give it up to her. Give it up to her, y'all. All right, so
Anyway, guys, with all of that being said, I hope you had fun with, of course, none other than your girl Tammy and Chief Quasi in the
There we
building.
go, there we go.
TKM for life
as
as
we
we
kick it off for
played
y'all,
the easiest
Alright.
game, or what is it called again?
the world's easiest game.
As we played the world easiest game, I
Yeah.
think we did fairly well, even though it says that we lost, which is kind of crazy.
Which is crazy. Some of
Anyway,
them questions was crazy.
they were really
Tricky
crazy.
question. Come
right?
on. This is my dog, Blue. What color is my dog?
Blue. No,
Anyway.
no, that was his name. What am I talking about? Anyway, guys, that wraps it up. I will catch you guys in another video. As always, make sure you comment, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you in another video.
TKM for life, baby. That's how we do it.